No, Welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Today's video is just a quick look on how I do a quick smoky eye for beginners. I'm still a beginner myself. You'll notice in the video my lighting was kind of so I was trying to get that all together, but either way it go, this is the final look of the smoky eye, you know. And just for the record, off the camera I added my lashes and add a little black liner at the bottom, and I smudged it to make it like a little bit smudged, to make it look not so precise, make it look a little bit more smoky at the bottom. Also went in with that revenge color and the black color from the Shayla and Maybelline, and then the Shayla and ColourPop. Just had to add that in there because I forgot. I didn't know if I added it or not, but yes. So first thing I'm doing is I'm taking the Perception palette from Shayla and ColourPop, and I'm using the color called Revenge, and we're going to apply the Revenge color right above our eyelid. So as you can see, the Revenge color is very pigmented, only because my brush was still a little bit wet, but we're just going to take our time and blend that out so it can transition into the other colors very well. So after that, we're going to go in with our Prism palette from Anastasia, and we're going to take that black color, not sure what the name is, but we're going to take the black color, and we're just going to apply that over our lid. And I did spray my brush to get it a little damp so that the black color could apply a little bit more pigmented and it didn't look super ashy. So the black shade in my Maybelline and Shayla palette was a little bit more pigmented, so I did go back in with that color, with the black color in that palette, and just go over the black already, just so it could be a little bit more darker and so it could blend a little bit better. I'm really not sure what type of brush this is, but it's clean, and we're going to take it and we're going to blend out the black and the Revenge just so it all blends out evenly, so the lines aren't harsh and so it can get that nice, pleasing, smoky appeal. And so I'm taking like a cheap little mascara just to do my mascara because some of the color did get on there, and I also applied my lashes, and then we're gonna go in and we're gonna finish off our face and add our lip. The red lipstick that I got from MAC a few years ago, so I apply that all over my lips. I do overdraw my top lip just a little bit just because I don't like the way my top lip is shaped, and then I go in with the brown lip liner just to give it like a ombre feel. This is really cute. This is really cute. Cute date night eyeshadow look. Like, you can go on a date with your boo with this eyeshadow. Like, you're gonna be the baddest bitch. Period. Period. See y'all in a later one.